welcome back to the channel. This is the last day in the SEMA Show. As I said before, we try to cover most of the areas with all of the cars. We still have one exhibit to see and to do, and we still have one ride to do. I think we're going to be able to do it today, is the drifting ride. I don't know, let's see what's going to happen. We're going to try to cover the rest of the area. Hope we can do it. Let's take you on a ride with us, enjoy it, and see the rest of the cars. Come on, let's go.
What's going on, guys? We're hanging out here over by the In-N-Out Customs, and we're hanging out here. Check out Moody Cars. We're at SEMA 2021. Take it easy.
What's the idea it's coming in your mind when you think about doing this car?
You know what? So I've had a few Teslas before, and you know, I'm a car enthusiast, and after a while they get a little bit boring. You know, because you step on the accelerator and they're really fast, but you don't really have like the sound and the excitement that like if you have like, you know, a gas-powered engine. So I thought to myself, why not be the world's first person that mixes both worlds, a good-looking electric car with a gas engine for enthusiasts that can still be excited to drive. So here it is.
What's the most difficult thing you have handling with the car? Building it.
The most difficult thing I would say is cutting the car in half. So if you look under in the inside of the car, we had to cut the car right down the middle, and we had to build a transmission tunnel because inside the Tesla the floor is completely flat. So we had to cut a big hole in the firewall for the transmission, cut a hole going from the front of the car all the way back to fit the transmission, drive shaft, and rear end. So that was the hardest part. There's two different systems that are running in the car right now. We have a standalone system that controls the engine by itself, and then we have the Tesla system still, which is still in the car. So there's two different systems that do two different things. We have one thing that controls the car independently, the engine independently, and the electronics in the car independently. So if one system fails, the other one will still work. So if all the electronics in the Tesla die, we can still start it and drive it.
Okay. Did you manage to let the pilot walk in the car, or you couldn't?
No, we didn't. That wasn't our goal for this one. Because it's an enthusiast car, we want to focus more on people driving and enjoying it.
Okay.
The cars that you don't drive aren't that exciting. Keep watching Moody Cars and you'll see more cool stuff like this and all kinds of other awesome stuff.
the SEMA Show, and I wanted to give a special thanks to Moody Cars, and I love meeting you guys, and I love being here, and it was an awesome experience to meet you guys and do a video.
We are here at SEMA 2021, and I'm part of the National Donk Racing Association, where we showcase the big wheel cars all over the United States, and we actually drag race them all over the United States. Also, what we do. Now I got a TV show on Motor Trend called Donk Master. I got about a couple 100 million views on YouTube, social media. You can follow me on _Donk Master on Instagram and the Donk Master on Facebook.
Hey, we're at SEMA 2021 with Moody Cars in Las Vegas.
Thank you for watching the video. This is going to be the wrap-up for our day for SEMA Show. We took some stickers, we took some brochures. We enjoyed the last day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. And let me know how do you like this SEMA this year. Thank you so much, and nice to see you, every single person in the whole show, and have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world.